Hi guys, welcome to chapter 5 in the April monthly, Insuring Your Things, mid-level, no symbols. Keisha is happy she is earning money. She is saving money. She has extra money for fun things. Keisha thinks she will reach her goal soon. Keisha's mother says to slow down. Keisha might have money to pay rent. Keisha will need money for other things too. Keisha will need to pay for utilities, gas, electricity, and water are utilities. Keisha may also have to pay for a cell phone. So even when you live on your own, not only do you have to pay rent, you also have to pay for the things you use in your apartment. Turning the lights on and off, using a water to do the dishes or take a shower. If you have a cell phone, if you have a gas heater, those are all things that you'll have to pay for. Keisha's mother tells her about insurance. Insurance protects our things. An accident may break your things. The insurance company would pay for new things. So if you have renter's insurance and something happens, there's a fire, a flood, a break-in, any of that, the renter's insurance will help replace the stuff that was in your apartment. So it's a good thing to have. There are other kinds of insurances as well. Car insurance, home insurance, and life insurance. A job may also offer health insurance. This is a benefit. A benefit is something extra from a job. Health insurance helps to pay for doctor bills. There are many things to pay for. Keisha has a good attitude. She can work more hours in the summer. Keisha will work hard to earn more money. So Keisha's being nice and responsible, saving her money to make sure she has enough before she moves out. Keisha has lots of things to buy. She will have to choose what to buy. She can make a budget to help her. Keisha likes that idea. So anytime that you are working and you pay bills, it's always good to have a budget. I'm sure your parents or supervisor has one. Miss Corbett and Miss S have one. It helps you to know what needs to be paid before you go out and spend money on fun stuff. Okay, that was it for chapter 5. Go ahead and log back into the modules and see what your assignment is. Have a great day, you guys.